Hello, friends! Today, in our AI-generated celebrities series, we will be exploring one of the most intriguing figures, Lil Miquela. Who is Lil Miquela? Lil Miquela, whose real name is Miquela Souza, is a virtual influencer and model created in 2016 by Trevor McFedries and Sarah Deku. She is portrayed as a 19-year-old girl of Brazilian and American descent. She is widely recognized on Instagram under the username @LilMiquela, where she has over 2.5 million followers. Her place in the music and fashion industry. Miquela plays an active role in both fashion and music. Fashion. She has collaborated with major brands like Calvin Klein, Prada, and Samsung. Music. She entered the music industry in 2017 with her first single, Not Mine. Impact and achievements. In 2018, she was listed among Time magazine's 25 most influential people on the internet. The creative company behind her, Brood, reached a valuation of $125 million in 2018. These achievements demonstrate the real influence she has, despite being a virtual character. How much does she earn? Although official figures have not been disclosed, it is estimated that her monthly earnings from sponsorship deals and advertisements range between $10,000 and $50,000. Her total earnings from projects and brand collaborations could have reached millions of dollars. The role of a virtual influencer in the real world. Despite not being a real model or person, Lil Miquela actively participates in major fashion shows, campaigns, and music projects. Through social media strategies, brand collaborations, and storytelling, she has carved out a unique place in the digital world. What's next for the future? AI-generated virtual influencers are a rising trend in both the fashion and entertainment industries. Lil Miquela is one of the most well-known examples of this trend, and in the coming years, we can expect more virtual characters to emerge. That's all for today, friends. We have briefly explored Lil Miquela's background, achievements, and possible earnings. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Blast off.